Hey, what is up my beautiful people, and today I'm back with the next video, and today I'm going to talk about NVIDIA's new AI software that removes background noising from your audio. So as you guys know, if you guys watched my previous video that I did, you guys realized that my audio is improved a lot. You didn't hear the background noises like my computer running in the background, because my computer is kind of loud, not the loudest, but it is loud that the mic can pick it up. And I'm just going to show you guys that it is not picking up in the mic right now, so I'm going to mute for a second. So there it is. You didn't hear anything at all, guys. So what I want to talk about today before I get into the testing, I want to show you guys how to get this right now. So first thing first, I think you need an NVIDIA graphics card, not just any NVIDIA graphics card. I think you need to use the RTX Voice, you must be using NVIDIA GeForce RTX or a Quadro RTX graphics card. Update to the latest driver, and you should be on Windows 10. So those are your requirements. And the supported apps are OBS Studios, which I'm currently using, Streamlabs, XSplit Broadcaster, XSplit Gamecaster, Twitch Studio, Discord, Google Chrome, Battle.next, WebEx if you guys doing classes online, Skype if you guys also doing classes online, and Zoom if you're doing meetings online, Slack, and Steam Chat. So as I said, guys, this is very underrated, guys, because literally it removes every single thing from your background. So you're gonna want to download the app. I mean, on this website here, it pretty much tell you everything how to download it. So you're gonna hit this button right here when you go on the website. If you're gonna do it, download the app, and then when you run it, you're gonna select your microphone. So plug in your microphone in your PC and then select it. And after you select it, you're gonna make sure you check remove background noise from my microphone. I mean, the software is pretty simple, like it just gives you this options right here, nothing else, so you can't miss anything. And if you want to make sure like to remove background noise from incoming audio, so like I'm guessing if you're on a Skype call and you're recording it and that person mic is like not so good, you can remove the noise from their background also if it's incoming to your PC. And as I said, it is supported on Discord, and on their website you can also find how to select it in Discord. For OBS, it was pretty easy for me. I just went to settings, go to audio, go to mic, and then select the microphone in bracket NVIDIA RTX Voice. And if I'm using my speakers to monitor it, I could also select my speakers and put NVIDIA RTX Voice in the bracket. I know you guys might be wondering like why NVIDIA is making something for audio. I mean, they're not like a audio card, they're more like a graphics card. Yes, I agree, but I mean, this software is pretty good, guys, and it's kind of surprising because I think they would have do something like with video more, or something to do with graphics, not audio. But surprisingly, it is pretty great. I give this a 10 out of 10 because like literally, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys are hearing me very clear right now. So I'm gonna switch over back to my original mic, and you guys will hear the background noise in the microphone. So give me a second, guys. Well, it will be a second for you guys, so let me switch over for you guys. All right, guys, so I'm currently talking in my microphone without the software applied to my microphone. So this doesn't have any background removal in it. It is just my raw audio, and as you guys can see, my waveform on OBS, you guys can see it is jumping up and down even when I'm stopped talking. Like the background noise is so much in my background, like look. So you guys see I stopped talk and my waveform is still jumping. That means it is still recording audio coming in to the microphone. So I'm just gonna play something in the background, a non-copyrighted music, and you guys gonna see that it's gonna pick up in my microphone. And then after I do this, I'm gonna play that same audio in my background with the software on, and you guys gonna see the big difference. So here it is. So the audio is currently playing in my background, and I'm pretty sure my microphone is picking it up. Yep. Alright guys, so this is using the NVIDIA AI software to remove the background noise. So currently there's a song playing in my background, as you guys can see on my camera. I'm going to switch my camera audio right now so you guys can hear that the song is actually playing. So I'm talking and the song is playing, and you guys can see it is pretty decently loud, and you're not hearing anything in my microphone that the NVIDIA software is on. So I'm gonna quiet for a second and you guys gonna hear that there's nothing coming through my microphone. So literally guys, you guys can see that it is pretty good, and I'm just going to show you the waveform right now on my OBS while I'm recording this. So here it is guys. So you see guys, I'm currently talking and you can see my waveform is jumping up and down, and the song is still playing in the background, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to mute myself right now. Not mute myself, I'm just going to stop talking right now. And the song is still playing guys, and you see my waveform drop right down. So you guys get my point. It is pretty good, and it is pretty much worth it, because I'm recording a video and like my phone is like literally right there, and I'm literally right behind the camera. I'm holding it in my hand, and my microphone is pinned on to my shirt. So guys, you guys need to check it out. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, if you do podcasting, this is definitely the audio software to use. This will save you a lot of time if you're in Premiere Pro and all those fancy stuff. Instead of giving it to somebody to like clean up your audio for you, AI, artificial intelligence, will do it for you. And I think pretty soon it's gonna become a reality that AI is gonna take our jobs, guys. After seeing this software, guys, I can see that, yep, artificial intelligence is gonna take our life away. So soon and very soon, a lot of people is gonna be out of jobs because of artificial intelligence. Alright guys, so you guys heard that the test went well. You guys can see that the software is actually 100% working. Like literally it works so good guys. Like, but what I realized that after watching, like I was trying to test it with like this YouTuber video in my background, like he was talking, and I realized that it didn't really like mute that out. Like I realized that this software is like, it just pick up like people talking, I guess. So I'm guessing as long as it realizes that somebody's talking in the background, then it will pass through that audio. But music, it doesn't really pass through in your audio. Well, not doesn't really, it doesn't pass through in your audio. And how did I find this software? To be honest, I was listening to MKBHD Waveform podcast, and I heard him talk about it, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try, because he was saying like it would definitely help him in the podcast, especially nowadays while you're at home. So I think this software is good for people who are doing online meetings at home or online classes at home or whatever. If you're even talking to your friends at home and you want your friends to hear you loud and clear, this is definitely the software to use, guys. Like, trust me, guys, it is definitely worth it. But I said what I have to say, guys. You guys need to go check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.